Today we are putting a DT466 back together. This is the 7.3 Power Strokes big sister, inline 6, big heavy duty diesel. We are putting a head back on this guy. It needed some help. Well, let's get to cleaning. Alright, we got the deck all cleaned up. New gasket on. Cylinders cleaned out the best we can with some Scotch-Brite. And now we are ready to go ahead and drop the head back on it. And it is another day. Yesterday got stupid. So today is another day. And I did get the head set on, and all of the main bolts started. I still need to drop in the rocker arm assembly bolts, but I'm still working on getting my push rods in. Got to clean them all up because, yeah, a whole bunch of fun. That's where we're at. But as you can see, with a little red Scotch-Brite and some elbow grease, these push rods clean right up. Going back together. We're getting there. Alright, we have all of our push rods cleaned up, lubricated, valve train reassembled, and snugged down. So now we can go ahead and torque our head bolts to spec. I'm gonna go find a torque wrench. Alrighty, now head is all buttoned up, torque down, final torque done. Now we got our gaskets on, and we're putting our exhaust manifold and turbo back on. And exhaust manifold and turbo set in place, snugged up, and then torqued down. I need to go find a wrench and tighten up the turbo lubrication feed line, and tighten up my little worm clamps down there for the return, and put the downpipe back on, and that's done. And now we jumped over onto the other side. And the intake manifold, or plenum, or whatever you want to call it, is back up in its position and bolted in. Alright, intake manifold on, injectors in, with the hold downs tightened down. They're all sunk into place where they're supposed to be. So once again, I am a horrible videographer and just get frustrated or get to where I'm wanting to get stuff done, and I just do it. So I've got the whole thing back together at this point. Injection return system is rebuilt. All the injectors are bled out, tightened back up. New radiator is in, all connected up. Waiting on a couple of hose clamps for the bottom radiator hose, and that's it. She's buttoned up. And happy truck. That's that. Work complete.